The Gold State coach is an enclosed, 8-horse-drawn carriage used by the British royal family. Commissioned in 1760 by King George III, it was built in the London workshops of Samuel Butler. It was commissioned for £7,562. It was completed in 1762. This coach has been used at the coronation of every British monarch since George IV. The coach's great age, weight, and lack of maneuverability have limited its use to grand state occasions such as coronations, royal weddings, and the jubilees of a monarch. Until the Second World War, the coach was the monarch's usual transport to and from Parliament at the state opening. The coach is housed at the Royal Mews of Buckingham Palace. It is on view for the public. The coach weighs 4 tons and is 24 feet long and 12 feet high. It is gilded and features painted panels by Giovanni Battista Cipriani and rich gilded sculpture including 3 cherubs on the roof and 4 tritons, one at each corner. The body of the coach is slung by braces covered with Morocco leather and decorated with gilt buckles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.